Types of medical conditions that will prevent fitness professionals from working with a client unless they have specialist training and/or qualifications. Coronary heart disease is a common but serious condition, where the blood vessels supplying the heart are narrowed or blocked. This blockage can cause angina. There are two main types of angina you should be aware of. 1. Stable angina, more common. Attacks have a trigger, such as stress or exercise, and stop within a few minutes of resting. 2. Unstable angina, more serious. Attacks are more unpredictable, they may not have a trigger, and can continue despite resting. CHD such as angina is chest pain caused by reduced blood flow to the heart muscles. It's not usually life-threatening, but it's a warning sign that your client could be at risk of a heart attack or stroke. The main symptom of angina is chest pain such as a tight, dull or heavy feeling that may spread to your client's left arm, neck, jaw or back. The pain will be triggered by physical exertion, exercise or stress. Sometimes there might be other symptoms, like feeling sick or breathless. Respiratory conditions, for example COPD, asthma. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, is the name for a group of lung conditions that cause breathing difficulties. It includes emphysema, this is damage to the air sacs in the lungs. Chronic bronchitis, this long-term inflammation of the airways. COPD is a common condition that mainly affects middle-aged or older adults who smoke. Many people do not realize they have it. The breathing problems tend to get gradually worse over time and can limit your normal activities, although treatment can help keep the condition under control. Metabolic conditions, for example obesity and diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition in which the pancreas produces little or no insulin. Insulin is a hormone needed to allow sugar, glucose, to enter cells to produce energy. Type 2 diabetes occurs when the body doesn't produce enough insulin to function properly, or the body's cells don't react to insulin. This means glucose stays in the blood and isn't used as fuel for energy. Type 2 diabetes is often associated with obesity and tends to be diagnosed in older people. Musculoskeletal conditions, for example osteoporosis, arthritis and low back pain. Osteoporosis is a health condition that weakens bones, making them fragile and more likely to break. It develops slowly over several years and is often only diagnosed when a fall or sudden impact causes a bone to break, fracture. The most common injuries in people with osteoporosis are broken wrists and broken hips. Arthritis is a common condition that causes pain and inflammation in a joint. Osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis are the two most common types of arthritis. Osteoarthritis is the most common form of arthritis, affecting millions of people worldwide. The disorder most commonly affects joints in your hands, knees, hips and spine. Rheumatoid arthritis is a long-term condition that causes pain, swelling and stiffness in the joints. The condition usually affects the hands, feet and wrists. There may be periods where symptoms become worse, known as flare-ups or flares. Neurological and neuromuscular conditions, for example dementia, multiple sclerosis. Dementia is an overall term for a group of diseases and conditions. This group is characterized by a decline. Multiple sclerosis is a lifelong condition that affects the brain and nerves. There are many possible symptoms of multiple sclerosis. Common symptoms include tiredness, vision problems and problems with walking or balance. Symptomatic clients, e.g. older adults, disable alongside ante and postnatal. Regular aerobic exercise during pregnancy appears to improve, or maintain, physical fitness. Physical exercise during pregnancy does appear to decrease the need for C-section. Participation in a wide range of recreational activities appears to be safe, with the avoidance of those with a high risk of falling. Ensure that you seek professional advice of any of the conditions on the list if you are unsure.